Okay, so today is a Tuesday and we have off school. So today we're going with Aiden's girlfriend's family somewhere, and it's a surprise. So yeah. So fun stuff today.
Hi guys, it's me, Avery, and I'm going to get my shoes because I have to throw the ball to the dogs. I'll be there in a second. Hold on, let me get my shoes. Excuse the mess. The room is very messy. It's kind of clean, but it's not as clean as other people's room, but it's not as dirty as some other people's room. So, okay.
Tuesday.
Today, our dad is walking with the therapist around the table. There.
Tuesday, May 16th. All right, let's stop here for just a minute. You okay?
Yeah.
Any dizziness or
Yeah.
discomfort? Otherwise, do you have any pain?
Yeah.
Great.
Dad, you did awesome walking around the table.
Good.
I thought.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Brandon's going to try and help you.
Oh, great.
Let him do something, right?
Yeah.
She's not able to help with too much, so it'll go well.
I'm not Brandon doing it.
It's going to go well. And that'll be something off of Mom's plate that Brandon can help with. Drink up, hon. It's going to be hot today. 80, they said.
It's already hot.
I know, it's warm out already. Finally.
Hopefully you're hurting our ears. Wow.
Stand beside him, over on the right side. You can loop your hand through here, and you might want to. That's fine, anywhere there, because essentially what's going to happen when if you have to catch him, it's going to tend to slide up. So it needs to be snug. But you just so you find a good hold on it, that's all. And one thing you can do with this is when he's shifting like over this way to swing his right leg forward, that's how you can kind of help to shift and shift his body this way while he's swinging his right leg.
Okay.
We'll start. You might want to start out with your left leg so that you can get your weight shifting forward. Okay, so start with your left leg first. And now here's where you're going to probably have to use your left leg to help bring the body forward while he shifts. There we go. You got it. Just so that you've got a good hold on him.
You checking on Daddy, Layla? Good girl.
And sometimes it's good to even talk while you're doing the walk, because so you know what he's planning to do and how you're helping him. Yeah. So you say left foot, and now right foot. Okay. Left leg, right leg. Good. Okay. So you might want to take a little bigger step with your left leg. Okay, step with your left leg again. Sorry, now, so it's been a little easier to swing with your right leg then. And here, maybe in the beginning, it might be best to have two people.
Yeah.
Like maybe you behind him or you beside him, just so that we're really safe. Hopefully you can get. You know what? Here's what I would suggest.
What?
It's okay, he can't use the camera to go on a bike ride. He
No.
can drop it.
So step with your
I
left
went
leg.
down the hill, but like, killing me. Come on,
How's your leg killing you?
grab a water bottle. We go up and down. We went up the hill.
Peyton, you know what you should use on the bike?
What?
The other camera. The, what's it called? The activity camera, what's it called?
The
Nice.
The one that we brought to the shore with us and
Yeah.
stuff. I can't remember what it's called.
called, Brandon? The thing we brought to the shore?
The GoPro?
Yeah.
The GoPro, yeah.
We
The
don't know what
GoPro.
that is.
Aiden should have it upstairs, I think.
But, okay. Come on.
And just stop for a minute.
House of Crazy 8.
Okay, so I just got home from school, and to my surprise, there is nobody here. No one. Empty. Nobody told me they were going anywhere. Thought they were gonna be home. I didn't even know that I needed like a key or anything, so I didn't think I'd be able to get in. But good thing that I had one in my bag. So yeah, I texted my mom and she took Dad to an appointment, and the kids went, I don't know where they went, but they went somewhere to hang out with Aiden's girlfriend and his family. Her family, sorry. So, yeah, I have no clue where they are. But, guess I'll start my homework. I have nothing else to do. I have soccer later and a volleyball playoff game. We won our game last night, so we made it tonight. It's just UIO, so it's nothing important. Well, it's for fun. Basketball and soccer are like my big sports, but so yeah. Nothing.
Alright, you ready? Swing you on around. See if Julia can bet what you ate. See if she can figure it out. Yeah, put your legs in. That was awfully stiff, huh? Alright, you see where we're going?
Yeah.
Where?
Here.
Over there? Okay, I need a big strong stand, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Stand up. Okay. Push back, all right? You're gonna stand again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, jeez. Why did that move?
You pushed it?
It moved, I know. Your chair. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. You're not
You didn't move
back.
at all.
I know.
That does not look comfortable.
No, well, he's getting out when he goes in anyway.
No,
This
I
thing,
meant
I know.
that.
Wedgie, wedgie, wedgie. So tell Julia what you had. What did you eat?
Looks like ice cream.
Did you have ice cream?
Does he?
What kind of ice cream did you have? What did I tell you it was called?
There's chocolate.
You had chocolate in it, yep. Was a Reese's Pieces, or Reese Cup Blizzard. Remember?
Yeah.
When I asked you if you wanted a Blizzard, what did you say to me?
What?
What did he say, hey?
Do
You wouldn't
think
like
it was
that.
snow?
Yeah. You wouldn't like that. You don't like the snow, right?
Yeah.
And I said it's too hot to snow. I was talking about ice cream. Your favorite thing.
Dogs are excited. Have you been out all day? That they're that excited to see you?
Hi guys, we're right now gonna play soccer. Stop! You're running! Hey, be careful because mine hit her, okay? Peyton, come on. Go, Peyton, go. Avery, are you punting it? Good. I could, but I'm not. He will get the ball. I can't run. My hip is killing me. Sorry.
What are you doing? It's 85 degrees out, you know.
How are you cold?
Oh yeah, let's take your gummy bears.
Alyssa, stop it.
She already ate one.
Alyssa, stop eating my gummy bears.
It's clear.
Okay, so everybody's ready for bed. So, good night. Thanks for watching Against All Odds. You're not sleeping. Wake up. Say something. Oh, you're such a faker. Anyway, bye.
See ya.
Now you say something? Oh my gosh.